this is the burping contest. Yeah, soda.
Wait. Okay, you go first.
Ouch. It stings.
You couldn't.
My other arm. Wait a minute. It's gonna be a really bad one. So weird.
I don't even know if I can do one.
Just take it all and like do a couple big gulps and just like
That's good.
yeah, it hurt me too. More. Take a breath. Let it go down in your throat. Then do more. That was horrible. Okay,
I can do this.
let me do one more. 'Cause I've got more expertise than her. Boy, that hurts. I hate it how girls aren't supposed to burp like guys are. You know what I mean?
It doesn't really matter.
Okay, come on. I've got a couple sips left of my beer.
Yeah, sure, beer.
Okay. See ya! We're gonna
Merry
replay.
Christmas or Happy Hanukkah.
Or whatever religion you are. Happy Kwanzaa.